Lists in Python are used to store multiple items in a single variable. They are ordered, changeable, and can hold different data types. Lists help organize and manage collections of data efficiently.
We can use square brackets to create a list separating elements with commas. We create a list called numbers containing the elements 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Using the print function, we display the entire list with the labeled numbers. Okay, run the code now, and you see the list of numbers. I create a similar list called numbers with 5 elements. Using numbers bracket 0, we access the first element of the list and print it with the label first element. Using numbers -1, we access the last element of the list and print it with the label last element. We use the append method to add an element to the end of a list. We create a list called numbers with the elements 1, 2, and 3. Using the append method, we add the number 4 to the end of the list, and finally we print the updated list. We use the remove method to delete the first occurrence of a specific value from a list. We create a list called numbers with the elements 1, 2, 3, and 4. Using the remove method, we delete the number 2 from the list. And we finally print the updated list with the label updated list. We can iterate over a list using for loop. Here we create a list called numbers with the elements 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Using a for loop, we iterate through each element of the list. In each iteration, we then print the current elements with the label number. We use the sort method to sort a list in place in ascending order. First, we create a list called numbers with unsorted elements 5, 3, 1, 4, and 2. Using the sort method, we arrange the elements in ascending order. Finally, we print the sorted list. Now question, how can you reverse the order of a list in Python? First, we create a list called numbers with the elements 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Then, using the reverse method, we change the order of the elements to be in reverse. Finally, we print the reversed list. We use the len function to get the number of elements in a list. Here we create a list called numbers with the elements 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 again. Using the len function, we calculate the total number of elements in the list, and finally we print the result.